If you are also running a recruitment agency, then this video is going to be extremely valuable for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how recruitment agency could send personalized job opportunities to hundreds or even thousands of candidates in just few clicks. No generic message, no boring notifications. I am talking about messages that greet every applicant by their name, making it feel like the opportunity was sent personalized by your recruitment team. Just take a look at this message. You can see how professional and attractive it looks. The candidate's name is automatically added into the message, making the communication feel much more personal and engaging. And that's not all. The template also includes the video that explains the job role, application process, and important details, helping candidates understand the opportunity before they even apply. As a recruitment agency, one of the biggest challenges is reaching candidates quickly when a new job opening becomes available. You may have hundreds or thousands of applicants stored in your database, but manually messaging each person is simply not practical. See, this is the Google Sheet where I have stored my candidate first name, last name, and phone number. Now imagine manually creating personalized messages for every single applicant in this list. It would take hours of work, but with Pabbly Chatflow broadcast, all these contacts can automatically receive this highly engaging and personalized WhatsApp message in just few steps. Each applicant receives the same job notification, but with their own name dynamically added into the message, creating a much better candidate experience and increasing the chances of engagement. And the best part, you don't need any coding, technical skills, or complex setup, because in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how I created this personalized recruitment broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow, and how you can set up the same system for your own recruitment agency. Alright, so without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this broadcast setup. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. After doing the sign-up process, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. If you like this tool till now and you also want to create a WhatsApp broadcast for your own business, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features where you have to go in this broadcast feature, as we are creating a WhatsApp broadcasting. So this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Now before we create our broadcast campaign, let's quickly understand what the broadcast feature actually does. So the broadcast feature allows you to send a single WhatsApp template message to multiple contacts at the same time. Instead of opening individual chats manually and sending the same opportunities again and again, you just import your contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow, create a list, and run a WhatsApp campaign. For recruitment agencies, this is extremely useful because you can instantly notify to thousands of candidates about new job openings, walk-in interviews, hiring drives, or recruitment events. In simple words, the broadcast feature helps you to communicate with a large number of applicants in a personalized way without having to send messages manually. For creating a new broadcast, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, select the broadcast type from here, that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I enter as job openings alert. After that, I am selecting the contact list from here as the new list. See, it is very important. Here you need to select the contact list to whom you want to send the broadcast message. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts and create a list. So for that, you have to go towards this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. button. Here you can also add contacts one by one manually, but I recommend you to add contacts in bulk. Here you need to upload a CSV file. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like in real time. See, here inside the Google Sheet I have added the applicant first name, last name and phone number. You can also create the same sheet based on your data. After that, you need to download the file in a CSV format. Here I have used Google Sheet, but you can use Excel also. And I want you to know that only CSV files are allowed with 50 MB size limit, and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. Now for uploading a contacts, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and then just drag and drop this file here. Next, click on this upload files button. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, you have to click on this plus add contacts button, and this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And for creating a contact list, you have to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and this is the same list that I have selected here as the new list, where I added only 68 contacts. After selecting the contacts, next one is the refine audience. It is an optional. If you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contacts that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from here. After that, when you enable this toggle, then you can skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Moving forward is the most important part. Here you need to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here and enter the message content in this field, but I recommend you to select the message type as pre-approved template message, because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, you have to select the WhatsApp template from here. I'm selecting this one, job openings alert. I have already created this template before. Now in this body field, I am going to enter a dollar symbol with name. See, automatically with the help of this symbol and this variable in this place, the specific candidate name will come. After that, I am adding one video too. Just for the testing purpose, I am selecting this video from here. You can upload a new one. After uploading the video, I am clicking on this done. So this is how the template will look like. As I already said, I have uploaded this dummy video. You can replace it. My objective is only to teach you how you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for creating this type of template, you have to go inside this templates feature. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. It is a predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates based on your different type of businesses. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created some templates before, and this is the job openings alert template that we are using in this video. As you can see that inside this template, I have used a variable called name. I have added two curly brackets at the beginning and the end of this variable. Automatically the candidate's name will appear in this place. As I already told you, the detailed video is available in the description below. Go and check it out. After selecting the template, I am going to test this broadcast. So for that, I am entering the username as test user and entering my number here just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message. It says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received a new message and it greets me as a test user. So this is how it works, and I have entered this template content completely based on my choice. You can customize it. As we have successfully received the broadcast message, this means that our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Next, you have to schedule the broadcast. So if you want to send this template immediately to all of your candidates, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But here I am scheduling this broadcast message for later, so I am selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule it on 26th of June at 2 p.m. See, on 26th of June at 2 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of the contacts that are present inside this list. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. Your WhatsApp broadcast campaign is created successfully. As you can see, with Pabbly Chatflow, you can easily send personalized job opportunities to all of your applicants in just few clicks. Whether you are hiring for a single position or running large-scale recruitment campaigns, this broadcast feature can help you reach candidates faster and improve engagement with your job opportunities. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new today. If you face some difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp broadcast by using Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can also view the stats of your broadcast and export the report. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.